What's up, guys? Just wanted to mention something real quick. So I'm out and I'm shooting with my Fuji XS10, and all of a sudden, so last night I set up some new custom recipes, and I'm out here, and it's a beautiful morning. But anyway, I'm out here and I'm shooting, and I go to C4, and I notice, as you can see, my LCD is going bonkers. Same thing with my viewfinder; it's just going crazy, like flashing on and off, on and off. Look at the shutter speed. Look at the aperture. It doesn't know what to do. So anyway, I figured it out. And if I go into C4, okay, which is the one that flashes, okay, and then you take a look and you see in the bottom, it's in P mode. So when I program this, I meant to program it in aperture priority because obviously if there's a manual focus lens, it can't, it can't control the aperture. And as soon as I flip it into aperture priority mode, like that, or any other custom function that will allow me to use the aperture manually on the lens, I don't have a problem. So, but anyway, hopefully that was helpful, and yeah.